अस्तु मणिराज महोदय भवान् अस्ति वा? Are you there?
Mohoday, I'll be switching on the video in just a moment.
चिन्ता मास्तु। महोदय भवान् करोतु प्रार्थना शुरू करोतु।
आं महोदय। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे तामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम।
धन्यवादः। अस्तु सो अद्य अस्ति अष्टविंशतितमा कक्षा। Today we have class number 38. Last class you have discussed gain or kaya, by what means, how.
Mother, sorry, your voice is
it all right now? Let me speak.
Voice is going on and off.
Yeah, I think so something is happening with Zoom. Otherwise, it's fine. So, but when I start with this
Last time also throughout this class, of course, we could somehow make out, but then it was going high and low.
Yeah,
it's fine. It works fine with the Google Meet and others. But when I do Zoom, then I see the issue.
I think you may check later on. There might be something called noise cancellation. It makes for some difference, but I don't know.
Yeah, maybe. I use computer. I don't use headphones. So maybe I should start using headphone. Maybe.
Yeah, so that's
That
fine. Even
better.
I don't use headphones too. I'm straight on my iPad, so it works. But I think I did cancel the noise cancellation. There is one check like a box where you can switch it off. Try that. I don't know if that is the real issue.
I don't see this option here. I don't see it here for the computer. Something.
Now reasonably good.
Yeah.
So, maybe I'll try get a wired headphone, because I tried wireless one. Even that was not working fine last time. Wired one next time. Astu. So in the last class, you read about Kain Kaya Prashnavachkaha. Katham vayam samadhanam kurma. So how do we answer the question of Kain? Means, what is the instrument using which we do things? So let's say we drink water, and if we drink water with a glass, somebody else asks, how do you drink water? Or how did you go to office? How do you write? So that question, the question about instrument, that helps you achieve helps you do the action. So that you discussed in last class. So we know that question of Cain, how do you do things? How do you do your action, the kriya? That answer come from Tritiya Vibhakti. So if it is Rama, Ramen, Ramabhyam, Ramaihi. If it is Strilinga, Lata, Lata, Latabhyam, Latabhihi, Lataya, Latabhyam, Latabhihi. If it is Punsak Samanev, Pustakein, Pustakabhyam, Pustakaihi. So Tritiya Vibhakti gives the answer of the instrument, and it is also called Karnakarak. Karna means instrument. The instrument that help the verb kriya to achieve its goal. So, but in that class, you only discussed only ekvachan, singular.
What
Uh,
Kanakarak is it?
Karan Karak, instrument case. Karan Karak.
Karnakarak.
Karan Karak. So it tells you the instrument.
Hmm.
How um, how the word achieve its goal. So using medium. So when you write with a pen. So
Pen.
the English counterpart is with
With.
or by. So you go office by car. So the action of going is achieved with the help of car or train. I go office by train. Or play with someone. How do you play with? So you either play with a friend or you play with a ball. So the ball helps with the verb play. Or you play with your friend, that helps. That friend helps you play. So
So it is not how. It is with or by, na?
yes, it's with basically how you achieve the action using which
Ah.
medium in the sense. So when you do the action, what was the medium? So in English, when you ask, you say, right, how did you go to office?
Achha.
That's the question you asked, right? How did you go to office? I go by car. I go by car. How did you play? I play with bat
Ball.
and ball. I play with football.
So
It tells you the medium, your instrument. So in English it's called instrument case. In Sanskrit it's called Karnakarak. So Karnakarak or Titiya Vibhakti answer the Samadhanam. Kane for Napunsakling and Kaya is for Strilinga. So we'll do Vayam Adra Kinchit Punravlokanam Kurma. We'll do a little bit of revision and then Advayam Bahuvachan. Tasmin will say Pathama. We'll learn about Bahuvachan today. Parthivani.
केन पुल्लिंग एकवचने रामः रामेण बालकः बालकेन चषकः चषकेन केन न प्रश्नवाचक केन केन
भवती जानाति कथम अत्र ण अस्ति न नास्ति?
महोदय
भवती जानाति so in Ramayana why we have ण not न?
because of that ra
Nattam rule. हाँ,
nattam rule.
rule. हाँ. So this is all Tritiya Pratham Titiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam.
एकवचन
Rama Ramen Balka Balke. पठतु.
तया स्त्रीलिंगे एकवचने सीता सीता सीतया माला मालया लेखनी लेखन्या प्रश्नः कया.
So when you ask the question using the Prashnavachak Kaya. And the answer would be Sitaya, Malaya, Lekhanya. Tulsiram Bhavan पठतु. Tulsiram Bhavan.
Me?
महोदय पठतु.
अच्छा, voice as usual, okay. केन नपुंसकलिंगे एकवचने कंदुकं कंदुकेन फलं फलेन विमानं विमानेन प्रश्न केन.
So केन विद्यालयं गच्छति एवं वयं प्रश्नः पृच्छामः. How do you go to school? केन कार्यालयं गच्छति? कार्यानेन गच्छामि. लोकयानेन गच्छामि. रेलयानेन गच्छामि. हाँ. So question would be केन. So if you ask someone, how do you go to school? भवान् केन गच्छति? भवान् केन विद्यालयं गच्छति? भवान् केन कार्यालयं गच्छति? भवान् केन आपणं गच्छति? How do you go to market? How do you go to the shop? भवान् केन विपणिं गच्छति? How do you go to उद्यानं? भवान् केन उद्यानं गच्छति? अहं चलनेन गच्छामि. I go by walk. अहं चलनेन गच्छामि. I go on foot or by foot. अहं पदातिना गच्छामि और अहं पादभ्यां गच्छामि.
I go by bicycle. Aham द्विचक्रणेन
द्विचक्रिकया.
द्विचक्रिका स्त्रीलिङ्ग.
Oh, द्विचक्रिकया.
द्विचक्रिकया. अहं
Oh, that's
द्विचक्रिकया
string.
गच्छामि.
द्विचक्रिकया.
हा, अहं द्विचक्रिका गच्छामि. अस्तु. इदानीं कोऽपि संशयः अस्ति, कोऽपि प्रश्नः अस्ति एकवचने विषये? Anyone have any question, any doubt about ekvachanam? अस्तु, वयम् अग्रे चलामः. कैः काभिः. So
It is similar to Ramaihi, Ramabhi.
So in ekvachane when he asked the question, for pullinge or napunsaklinge, it is kena. When he asked the question would be, the prashnavachak would be kaih. We'll have the table later. It is ken, kabhyam, kaih. For pullinga, napunsaklinga. So as we know, vayam janimah yat Tritiya onwards, Napunsaklinga and Pullinga samanev. So, Kaiha asti Tritiya, atah Napunsaklinge, Pullinge saman rupam. For Strilinga, प्रश्नवाचक एक वचने अस्ति कया, बहुवचने प्रश्नवाचक अस्ति काभिः. पुल्लिंगे नपुंसकलिंगे कैः, स्त्रीलिंगे काभिः. अस्तु, अग्रे चलामः.
So, Mahoday, there is no Napunsakaling in that. Kaya Kabihi, Bohachane.
The Tritiya Bhakti onwards, Napunsaklinga and Pullinga, they have same form.
Oh, Pullinga will be Napunsakaling. Okay. Okay.
Same,
Napunsakaling will be.
So, Kaiha, Napunsaklinga, Pullinga. So, Pullinga, Napunsaklinga, they only varies in Prathama Bhakti and Ditya Bhakti. Ditya Bhakti onwards, they are all same.
We can hardly hear you. There is a problem.
I'm not speaking. Now I'm speaking. Ishran Mohoday, Bhavan Padatu.
कैः पुल्लिङ्ग एकवचने बालिका बहुवचन सॉरी बालिकाः
क्षम्यतां महोदय, अत्र सम्यक् अस्ति. पठतु क्षम्यताम्.
बालिकाः चमसैः भोजनं खादन्ति. The girls eat food with spoons. Janani.
भवान् एकं कार्यमपि करोतु. Can you try to make the question as well?
Let
me show you the previous slide. A question mark for Strilinga, Kabi, for Pullinga, Kai. Now try to make question here.
बालिकाः कै भोजनं खादन्ति.
बालिकाः कैः भोजनं खादन्ति. How do girls eat their food? So girls eat their food with spoons. And let's say we say balika eat with hand. Karotu, prayatnam karotu. So instead of chamas sahi hai, use hand.
बालिकाः हस्तैः भोजनं खादन्ति.
बालिकाः हस्तैः भोजनं खादन्ति. बहु सम्यक्. अग्रे गच्छतु भवान्.
जननी दीपैः पूजयति. The mother does puja with lamps. Janani kaihi pujedi. Janani dibaihi pujedi.
Adyani Deepaihi Pujyati. Um, what do you call the sticks, sense sticks, agarbatti? Agarbatti is called Vartika. Oh, that's
Okay.
fine. We'll come to Vartika is Strilinga. We'll come to that later. Agrimam karo tu.
शिक्षकः सुधाघण्टैः लिखति. The teacher writes with the chalk pieces. शिक्षकः कैः लिखेति. शिक्षकः सुधाघण्टैः लिखति.
How does teacher write? Teacher write with chalk. How सम्यक्. कोऽपि प्रश्नः अस्ति कस्यापि? Anyone any question, any doubt about what we just practiced?
So the kaihi is applicable to karmani.
न कैः अस्ति साधन. अत्र कर्तृप्रयोगे अस्ति. So if you remove the chamasaihi, you say balika bhojanam khadanti. The girl eat food. Now you are interested to know what is the instrument that the balikas uses to eat food. Is there any instrument? It might not be there, but if there is, you can ask. Balika kai khadanti bhojanam. So you are saying balika is doing the eating with the help of spoons. So instrument doesn't have to be there, but if it is there and if you want to inquire about if there is something instrument, means is there something which help the kriya, the verb? You want to find out. Let's say, for instance, you're writing. So you can say aham likhami. Now, if you want to find out is there an instrument, if you want to find out how are you writing, your kriya of writing, is there instrument to do that? So the answer would be yes. You're writing using pen, or you're writing using pencil, or you're writing using a chalk. So these are mediums. Mediums is not mandatory to be there, but it can be there.
For karana.
So it's karana. So it's not karma, it's kartri prayoga. But you want to, it doesn't have to be there. So even if you remove chamasaihi, balika bhojanam khadanti, that's a complete sentence. Even if you remove bhojanam, even also balika khadanti, that also a complete sentence. And if you remove the balika as well, if you just put khadanti, that's also a complete sentence. So in Sanskrit, just having a kriya is a complete sentence. So we say khadanti, gachati, sunoti. These are complete sentence. Now, if you want to provide more information, and those information is called karakah. So you want to tell who is the doer, who is the karta, you say balikah. Now you're also interested to find out kim khadanti, kam khadanti. Karma, you also want karma karak. Then you can say bhojanam khadanti. Now you want to find out, is there an instrument? How is it? How are the girls eating? You can say chamasaih, hastaih. Now let's say you also want to find out where are they eating. So balikah grihe khadanti, balikah mandire khadanti. Or you also want to find out why are they eating? Why they're eating? So you can say they are eating because there is a festival, or they're eating because they're hungry. So we haven't read that vibhakti yet, that's Chaturthi Bhakti. So only thing that mandatory for to being a complete sentence is kriya. After putting the kriya, whatever you add, you give extra information about the kriya. And all these are called karakah, karta karak, karma karak, Today we are answering the question of cane using Karan Karak. This is Kartri
अस्तु
answer.
अस्तु crystal clear thank you धन्यवादः
So
Astu.
these are
हाँ मत
these
पृच्छतु
are
भवान्.
these are tritiya vibhakti bahuvachan.
हाँ. So in last
Okay.
class you have read about Ekvachanam. Today we are learning about Bahuvachanam. Now the abhyasam that I will give, in the abhyasam we will have Dvivachanam as well. But in the class we are not discussing Dvivachanam. Reason being is that the focus of the class is that we get to know about things that we use in day-to-day life. We speak a lot and with as much less grammar as possible. So if you put Dvivachana as well, it become too much grammar. So to start with, we don't want to basically put a lot of things there. So that's why we avoid having Dvivachanam. But the book when you read exercise, there you will have the Dvivachanam as well.
Mहोदय.
आं महोदय. कैः पुल्लिङ्गे बहुवचने चमसः चमसैः दीपः दीपैः गुरुः गुरुभिः. So u becomes e. E.
Aihi,
I.
chamasaihi, deepaihi, that happens only in akarant. Other forms in Pullingi, they have same forms like Strilinga. Gurubihi, Munubihi, Pitribihi.
Munibihi.
They are the same form. So we have a table in the, later, they will see. So akarant only have different form. Aih. All other form, all ukarant, ikarant, rikarant, all of them has same as Strilinga. Gurubihi, Munubihi, Pitribihi.
Guruhu gurubihi. Munihi munibihi. Pita pitribihi.
पितृभिः. अस्तु. वयम् इदानीं कुर्मः अभ्यासः. उमा भगिनी करोतु. So if see we have in the table we have 3 columns. First one is karta. In the second one, what we have second one is bahuvachan prathama vibhakti. So what you have to do is we have to transform it into its tritiya vibhakti bahuvachanam. So basically this is practice to memorize the bahuvachan form, and then you have to make the sentence. Astu karotu.
गजः पादैः चलति.
Jahi padai chalas. So padah, since elephant has 4 legs.
पादाभिः.
पादः अस्ति भगिनी. So पादैः सम्यक् अस्ति. So गजहि गजः पादैः चलति. ध्रुव भगिनी.
भक्ताः धूपैः पूजां कुर्वन्ति.
So धूप अस्ति. अहं चिन्तयामि धूपं धूप प्रायशः नपुंसकलिङ्गम् अस्ति.
ओ नपुंसकलिङ्गम् अस्ति.
Doesn't matter. समान रूपेम अस्ति. नपुंसकलिङ्गं.
धूपैः
हाँ
सम्यक् अस्ति वा?
हाँ सम्यक् अस्ति. So भक्ताः धूपैः पूजां कुर्वन्ति. So the devotee
Devotees offering or does the puja with
with the
dhupai or
dhoop. He's doing puja with the dhoop, the havan samagri. Astu. Smita Bhagini, karotu. Smita Bhagini.
सेवकः घट्टे हि जलम् आनयति.
जलम आनयति. So आङ्ग्लभाषायाम् अपि परिवर्तनं करोतु.
सेवक servant bring water in pot.
With pot
With pot.
or by pot. अद्भुत भवान् करोतु.
आं महोदय. वयं घटैः जलं पिबामः.
जलं पिबामः. बहु सम्यक् भवान्. आङ्ग्लभाषायामपि परिवर्तनं करोतु. Transform in English as well.
वयं we, right? We are drinking water using pots. By pots, yeah.
अस्तु. इदानीं पार्वती भगिनी.
आं महोदय. भारतीयाः हस्तैः भोजनं खादन्ति. Indians eat with their hands.
ईश्वरन् महोदय भवान् करोतु.
आरक्षकः गदैः चोरान् ताडयन्ति.
परिवर्तनं करोतु भवान्.
The guards with the stick. I mean, they drive the thief with its stick.
ताडयन्ति means beating.
Okay, beat.
So the police or the guards, they beat the thieves with sticks.
The stick. Okay.
अस्तु. रिराज महोदय भवान् पठतु.
कैः पुल्लिङ्गे बहुवचने. बालिकाः कैः भोजनं खादन्ति. बालिकाः.
हाँ, इधर पढ़तु कई. By with what? By or with what?
कैः.
तो
वदामि. कैः by with what. पुल्लिङ्गे बहुवचने. बालिकाः कैः भोजनं खादन्ति. With what the girls eat the dinner or lunch, whatever the food.
or how we can use as well.
Or how the girls
Okay.
eat the food. बालिकाः चमसैः भोजनं खादन्ति. The girls eat the food with the spoons. चमसाई is plural, बहुवचन अस्ति. तथा चमसाई. Correct?
सम्यक् सम्यक्.
अग्रे भी पठान्.
अग्रे सर्वं पठतु.
जननी कैः पूजयति. How does the mother do puja, archana?
By with what? With what?
By what or how she does pujam. Janani deepaihi pujayati. The mother does puja with lamps. Shikshakah kaihi likhati. How does the teacher write, or by what the teacher writes? Shikshakah sudhakandaihi likhati. The teacher.
Sudhakandai likhati. If you replace Sudhakandam with the kalamam.
Ankani?
Ankani to stilingam asti. Kalamam. Ankani na. Kalamam.
Kalam is a Sanskrit word?
No,
Kalam is a Hindi word.
Kalamam कलमम् अस्ति नपुंसकलिङ्ग
अस्तु
Kalam,
अस्तु
kalam like pulling.
नपुंसकलिङ्गम् अस्ति
नपुंसकलिङ्ग
Kalamaihi.
कलमैः कलमैः
हाँ, शिक्षकः कलमैः लिखति। अस्तु
अस्तु
इदानीं कः पठति? बासराज भवान् पठतु।
Yes, 1 second. Yeah. Chatraha dvichakrika bihi gachanti. Chatraha kaihi gachanti. Chatraha dvichakrika bihi
काभिः गच्छन्ति।
gachanti. Mahila. 1 second. महिला मालाभिः अलंकरोति। महिला कैः अलंकरोति? काभिः। सॉरी, महिला काभिः अलंकरोति। महिला मालाभिः अलंकरोति। बालिका काभिः लिखति? बालिका लेखनिभिः लिखति। The girl writes with pens. Is that all, Mahoday?
काभिः स्त्रीलिंगे बहुवचने, द्विचक्रिका द्विचक्रिकाभिः, माला मालाभिः, लेखनी लेखनीभिः, मति मतिभिः।
अस्ति बुद्धि। अस्तु, वयम् इदानीं पुनः अभ्यासं कुर्मः। तुलसी भवान्?
आम् महोदय। पर्यटकाः, one second, first I will see the verbs. Jalam.
समयं करोतु, चिन्ता नास्ति।
पर्यटकाः नौकैः नदीं तरन्ति।
नौका स्त्रीलिङ्गः अस्ति महोदय।
हाँ जी।
नौकै न भवति।
ओ नौकाः नौकाभिः। ओ नौका इज ओके। नौका इज स्त्रीलिंग। नौका
स्त्रीलिंग अस्ति। नौकाभिः।
पर्यटकाः नौकाभिः नदी तरन्ति।
So see, if you see, making this is very easy. What you do is just add bhi at the end. So if you know the main root one, just add bhi. Then हरिराज महोदय भवान् करोतु।
वयं कूप्याभिः जलं पिबामि।
You have to pick the root प्रतिपादिक। तो किं भवति? कूपी।
कूपी। राइट। कूपी। कूपिभिः।
कूपिभिः।
कूपिभिः जलं पिबामः। करेक्ट। क्षम्यताम्।
आङ्ग्लभाषायामपि
we drink water with the cups.
Cups or with glass? Both अपि। both अपि सम्यक्।
अस्तु।
इदानीम् अमरनाथ महोदय भवान् करोतु।
भवन्तः लेखन्यः लिखन्तु। भवन्तः लेखन्याभिः।
So Pratipadik is lekhani. So lekhani
Lekhani.
bhihi.
Okay.
So just pick
Bhavantaha
the root
lekhani
word.
bihi.
Just pick the root pratipadik and add
Hmm.
the bhi with the
Got it.
haswa.
Got it. Got it.
हाँ,
Got it.
lekhani bhihi.
Got it. Got it.
Hmm.
Bhavantaha lekhani bihi likhantu.
हाँ, भवन्तः आङ्ग्लभाषामपि अनुवादं करोतु.
You madam write with the pen.
Bhavanta is pulling.
You madam's writing with the pens.
No, they're not writing. You are here. You are ordering. Likhantu.
Yes.
You're
Yeah,
ordering
I'm
them.
saying you madams write with the pens.
Write with the pens. Bhavanta sir. Madam na sir.
Oh, Bhavanta. Oh, okay. Sorry. Bhavatya.
Bhavanta. You sir.
You gentlemen, please write with the pens.
सम्यक् अस्ति. नटराज महोदय अग्रिमं करोतु.
Vaidyaha is the molar. Vaidyaha vidyabhihi. So runaha rugnaha vaidyabihi chikitsam prapnoti. Rugnaha is a person who is unwell person. With the help of or by doctor vaidyabihi chikitsam prapnoti, gets the treatment.
By the doctor. So
By
the
the
sick
doctor.
person get treatment by the doctor. Astu. Dhruvagni, karotu. Karyam karotu.
Aparnikaha. Tula is the main word. Mul Pratipadika. Tulaihi tolayanti. Sorry. Tulabhihi tolayanti. Sorry.
Tulabhi. Tulabhi na.
Tulabhi.
So you pick the root word and just add bhi.
Bhi. Okay.
So, tulabhi.
Okay.
Tulabhi. See, Istrilinga and others are actually EG. So just pick the root word, just add bhi. That's all.
So lekhani bhi.
Lekhani bhi.
Lekhani bhi.
Lekhani bihi.
Lekhani bhi. So lekhani ni in the ni you have dirghai bhi bha asti haswa isa. So lekhani bhi. Tula bhi. Kupi bhi.
Yeah. Sainikaha gadabhihi yuddham kurvanti. Soldiers fights or attacks with gada.
Mace.
Using gada.
Mace.
Mace. Okay, yeah, using mace. Thank you.
Raj Mohoday, one product.
Kabihi strilinge bahuvachane. Kabihi meaning by or with what or how. Chatraha kabihi gachanti. How does the students go? How do the good or by
what?
By what does?
So how is very generic way of asking?
By what?
But why what is very specific. But when we speak in English, we generally we use how for in the sense of by as well. Generally, we don't say by what you go to office. We generally says how do you go to office. Though the meaning is by what and with what, by or with what. Yeah. Astu.
With what the students go? Chatraha dvichakrika bihi gachanti. The students go by or with the cycles.
Now see here chhatra can be either. They can be male student, they can be female student. But it doesn't matter. because here we are discussing the instrument. Doesn't matter. The karta is a pulling or striling. It doesn't impact the instrument.
महिला काभिः अलङ्करोति. With what does the lady decorate? महिला मालाभिः अलङ्करोति. With garlands.
She decorates
By
with
garlands, with garlands. बालिका काभिः लिखति. The girl with what does the girl write? Do the girl write? बालिका लेखनीभिः लिखति. With the girls write with pens.
बहुत सम्यक. So we have covered Strilinga. Now we are going for Napunsaklinga. कोऽपि प्रश्नः अस्ति, संशयः अस्ति पुल्लिङ्ग विषये, स्त्रीलिङ्ग विषये? Any doubt? अस्ति? अस्तु. अस्तु. हरिराज महोदय, भवान् पठतु.
कैः नपुंसकलिङ्गे बहुवचने. How or by what of the Napumsakalinga plural. बालकाः कन्दुकैः क्रीडन्ति. बालकाः अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः बहुवचन. कन्दुकैः with balls. They are playing. The children play with the balls.
Children play with balls.
युवती पुष्पैः मालां रचयति. The young girls make a garland with flowers. क्षम्यतां.
प्रश्नं करोतु. So
युवती
पुष्पैः मालां रचयति.
अस्तु. युवती कैः मालां रचयति.
So by what or by with what युवती create the mala.
So pushpaihi is pullinga, bahuvachana.
Napunsaklinga.
I'm sorry, napumsakalinga, because both are same. So therefore, the plural form of question would be kaihi. Kaihi.
सम्यक्. अस्तु. अग्रिमं पठतु.
जनाः विमानैः प्रयाणं कुर्वन्ति. जनाः कैः प्रयाणं कुर्वन्ति? How do people travel?
How do people travel? By what means? With what people travel? By what people travels?
अस्तु. So people travel by planes. जनाः विमानैः प्रयाणं कुर्वन्ति.
अस्तु, बहुत सम्यक्.
Whom did you say?
Kandukam, kandukaihi.
शीर्षकं पठतु.
कैहि नपुंसकलिङ्गे बहुवचने. कन्दुकं कन्दुकैः. पुष्पं पुष्पैः. विमानं विमानैः. वारि वारिभिः.
वारि किम् अस्ति?
वारि अहं न जानामि.
वारि अस्ति जलम्.
जलम्. धन्यवाद.
So जलस्य रूपः भवति जलं जलाभ्यां जलैः. Because जल is अकारान्त. किन्तु वारि अस्ति इकारान्त. एतस्य रूपः अस्ति वारिभिः. जलं.
Where do they use
But
vari
is Napunsakalinga.
जलमपि नपुंसकलिङ्गम्.
No, how do we know where to use vari and where to use jalam?
You can use either. Even if you find whatever you remember.
Okay.
There is another word you'll find called toyam. Toyam also means water. करोतु. प्रथमं करोतु. आप हाँ
कैः नपुंसकलिङ्गे अभ्यासः कृषकाः हलानैः
प्रतिपादिक स्मरतु सो प्रतिपादिक अस्ति हलम हलैः
हलैः ओके
हलैः
कृषकाः हलैः कर्षन्ति.
See, karsanti is very useful word. So karsati also means to plow. Karsanti also means pull. So if you want to say pulling the rope, you can also use the karsati. Karsati means to pull. So and karsati is to pull away, to pull towards. It is called akarsanti. And akarsanti is also used for pulling and also used for in terms of attraction. So he's attracting. So if you want to say he's attracting me, so you can say akarsati. Or he's pulling towards something. So you want to say no, he's pulling the dog by the rope. So akarsati. If somebody pull the dog by rope, then you can also use akarsati. Or if he's pulling away from you, you say karsati. So karsati is very useful word in conversation. Karsati, akarshati. Astu.
So Mahoday, on the door they can write karshati, akarshati, right? Pull or push.
Ha, samyak.
Right?
Ha.
Okay.
So for pull, push for door. If you want to do pull, sorry, for pull is fine. You can say akarshati means you pull towards you. For push, the word is nuda, or you can say nodati. That's for push. Or tudati.
Or how do you say close the door?
Pidadhatu. So for closing, the kriya is pidadhati, and if you are asking someone to close, you will use lot lakar. Pidadhatu. For opening, it is udghatayatu. So open the door, dwaram udghatayatu. For opening anything, open the book, pustakam udghatayatu.
Okay.
Bhagini,
भवती भवती पुष्पाभिः
नपुंसकलिङ्गमस्ति द्वितीयं करोतु छात्रा
छात्राः पुस्तकानि so it will become pustakabhihi.
नपुंसकलिङ्ग अस्ति नपुंसकलिङ्ग
So it will be kena and
कैः.
So छात्रा पुस्तकैः पाठयति.
हाँ पुस्तकैः छात्रा पुस्तकैः नहीं पाठयति अस्ति एकवचन सो तत् न भवति that won't match.
पाठयन्ति
न भवति पाठयति अस्ति
शिक्षकः
छात्राः
will be पाठयति.
छात्राः लोकयानैः
पाठयति
छात्राः लोकयानैः प्रयाणं कुर्वन्ति.
छात्राः लोकयानैः प्रयाणं कुर्वन्ति सम्यक् अस्ति. You can choose any which make a sense, so that's fine. This one is सम्यक्. छात्राः लोकयानैः प्रयाणं कुर्वन्ति. आङ्ग्लभाषां भी अनुवादं करोतु. Translate in English as well.
Students are traveling by public transport.
Lokyanam. Bus, you can say bus as well. Lokyanam. Bus also is called Lokyanam. So they are traveled by the bus.
But Pathayanti also can be written here, right? I mean, if that is
so especially the thing is Pathvati is the two problems. So first is
No, no,
Pathvati.
Pathayanti
Pathyanti is fine. But
is
thing is
fine, right?
but Chhatra doesn't Pathyanti, na? Shiक्षक Pathayati.
Oh,
Chhatra to
Pathayanti.
Pathati. Chhatra to
Pathayanti.
Pathati. Pathati means to teach.
So Patyanti, will it be Patyanti?
Pathyanti.
No, if the children are studying, then
Pathanti.
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 Okay.
Patati patha pathanti. इदानीं स्मिता भगिनी भवती करोतु. भवती एतत् करोतु.
भवती पुष्पैः गणपति पूजयतु. Ma'am use flowers to do puja.
Worship Ganesh. So Bhavati, you don't have to say ma'am. It can be your sister, it can be your younger sister, anyone. So use flower to worship Ganesha. बहुत सम्यक. अवधूत भवान परिणाम करो तो.
आम महोदय. गजाः ओके. गजाः तुण्डैः जलं जलं पिबन्ति. Elephants uses their trunk for drinking water, or elephants drink water by their trunk.
So Tund is trunk. So no, we call Ganesha Vakratunda.
Yes.
Because Vakra means not straight.
Yes.
So you want to say so Vakra is also very good, useful word. So you want to say a snake goes here and there, like snake move, snake do this motion, right? So
yes.
Sarpaha Vakram Gachati.
Oh, Vakram.
So somebody is not walking straight. So we say that person is running here and there. He's not running straight. So you can say Janaha Balakaha Vakram Dhavati. So zigzag. So if someone goes zigzag, a snake goes zigzag, you can say Vakram.
अहम हस्ताक्षरेण
वक्रम करोमि.
लिखामि.
मम हस्ताक्षर वक्रम अस्ति.
मम हस्ताक्षर वक्रम अस्ति.
So my signature is zigzag.
Yeah.
अस्तु. वासराज भवान् करोतु. अग्रिमं करोतु.
महिला पुष्पाभिः.
पुंसलिङ्ग अस्ति महोदय.
महिला पुष्पैः. नपुंसक. महिला पुष्पैः मालां गुफ्नति.
Gumphati means means what you call the word, not shoe. What is the English word? Forget the English word. When you put flowers together, what do you call the word?
Arranging.
String it together.
String.
Yeah.
So Gumphati means string.
Yeah. Mahila pushpaihi malam gumphati. The lady strings the flowers.
She create or she string garland with flowers.
With flowers. Oh, malam. Okay. She strings garland with flowers. Okay.
Shikshakah. You can use pustakam, pustakaihi. Shikshakah pustakaihi patayati. Now it will come patayati. The shikshakah is the teacher. Teaches with what? Teacher teaches with books.
Teacher teach by books. So I think books should be correct. Astu. Agrimam. Kulya means
me.
हाँ तुलसी माना भगवान करो तो.
What is this? Kulya.
Kulya means water stream. A canal. Canal. Canal.
Canal. Okay. Kulya. Kulya. वारिणीभिः
Bhavati.
Bhavati. Okay.
So basically you're saying the canal or the water stream
With water.
is made with water.
So Kulya Varinibhi Bhavati.
So if you want to say like so you want to say things like that a car is made by steel. A car is made with
This is
metal.
Varibhi, not Varinibhi. Varibhi.
Varibhi.
Right.
Varibhi.
Right.
Varibhi. Kulya Varibhi Bhavati.
वारिभिः सम्यक् अस्ति वारि स्त्रीलिङ्ग अस्ति महोदय
Vari asti
नपुंसकलिङ्गं
so see what happens. Aihi is only for akarant.
Okay.
So for
Varibhi, not Dirgha.
in both cases, Pullinga and Napunsakalinga, only for akarant, Bahuvachan is aihi. For all others, it is bihi. So for all other forms, Istilinga and Pullinga and Napunsakalinga samaneva. So your question that you'll ask, question will still be in using kaihi. So kai pulya bhavati. But the answer, if you use jalam, then you will say jalaihi. So kulya jalai bhavati. But if you say vari, that will be varibhi. Because vari is ikarant.
Sir, it will be like Hari, na? Hari becomes Harina.
नहीं एक वचन है ना बहुवचने तो हरि भी अस्ति
So Vari will become Varina.
ना
Varibhi.
हाँ एक वचने वारी भवति वारिणा किंतु बहुवचने वारी भवति वारिभिः सो हरि एव अस्तु भगिनी पठतु
Kaihi नपुंसकलिंगे बहुवचने by or with what? बालकाः कैहि क्रीडन्ति बालकाः कन्दुकैहि क्रीडन्ति. So with what do children play? The children play with the ball.
करोतु. Do all.
युवत्यः कैहि मालां रचयन्ति युवत्यः पुष्पैहि मालां रचयन्ति. How do the youth make the garlands?
Yuvatis, ladies.
Yuvati, yuvatyah, young lady. Okay. Young ladies make the garland with flowers. Janaha kaihi prayanam kurvanti. Janaha vimanaihi prayanam kurvanti. How do the people travel? The people travel by plane, with plane.
See, this is the table. Just read the table once, all of you, and let me know if you have any doubt. So this is basically, here we have all the forms. Rikaran. So we see only for akarant we have ai. For others it is bihi. Strilinge, Napunsakalinge, Pullinge is bihi. Only for akarant is different. So it's easier to remember. So if it is akarant, ai. If it is not akarant, bihi.
Oh, okay. That is easy.
So remember that exception is only in akarant. For other, and when you read further, you'll find that only akarant are the exceptional. The rest of the forms, they are more or less have similar patterns. There are some variation. I don't know, sir. There is some variation, but most of them has similar pattern. It's only akarant which is different.
Jnanena, jnanabhyam, jnanaihi. Rama, rame, ramaha. Ramaya, ramabhyam, ramabhihi. Harihi, harihi, harayah. Harina, haribhyam, haribhihi. Matihi, matyah. Matya, matibhyam, matibhihi. Vari, varini, varini. Varina, varibhyam, varibhi.
Here all have same pattern. Apart from Akaranta, all of them follow this almost similar patterns. For Stilinga, Ekvachanam is different because you have Aya. But we see the pulling, the Bahuvachanam, Samanev. Just add Bihi. Want to you can read through after the class, and when the exercise that I'm giving, that also has tables for other words as well. Now take a look at this as well. These are Sarnam Sabda. Let me know if you have any Sansaya.
This we have to memorize only, I think.
So when you practice, so what happens? These are all based on patterns. So more practice you do, more reading you do, then they will just settle in your mind.
This is a very good one.
Yeah, these tables are really nice actually.
Yeah.
To me, I learned the proper whole Vibhakti chart before learning. So to me, the chart is easier. This gets more confusing because that is the third, that is the seventh. It is. So when I read this, I say, oh, I just want to recite the whole Vibhakti chart.
So basically, we have that one as well. So here the idea is that we just only think about. So our idea is that we present in such a way that you have to think about grammar only that much you need. But again, it depends. Everyone has their own way of learning.
No, I understand why this is easier. I understand both ways now, though, because before I learned the chart, the whole chart, and then I didn't understand. Now I know the whole chart, and now I am understanding. But my brain wants to think the whole chart.
Whatever it
goes. But this is good. This is good also for like elementary learning. It's good.
So what happens when you get the pieces right? When you remember the usage. Now when you look at the chart, it becomes easier. Now you can connect the dots. So we see these are Prashnavachkas. So today and in the previous class, we discussed Ken Kaya Kai Kabhi. Samadhanam asti Ramed पुल्लिंगे, सीतया स्त्रीलिंगे, तेन सर्वनामे, तया सर्वनामे स्त्रीलिंगे, रामैः बहुवचने, सीताभिः बहुवचने, तैः बहुवचने, ताभिः बहुवचने, स्त्रीलिंग सर्वनामे. So we have covered these much prashnavachkas so far in our class. वयं किञ्चित् अभ्यासं कुर्मः. ईश्वरन् महोदय भवान् करोतु.
We start the class with Pratana Shlokas.
When we do the translation, first thing we should try to find out what is the Kriya. Then we should try to find out who is the Karta. And then we should try out if there is any Karma. And then if there is other Karka. So here, what is the Kriya? Start.
Start.
Then Karta is we, Vayam.
Correct.
Karma is class, Kacha. So Kacha bhavati, since we're starting the class, Kacha is Karma, we'll use the Ditya Bhakti. So Vayam, Kacha,
Vayam,
Kacha,
Kacha.
Then we have then you try to find it out if there are other things, other karakas are there or not. So if you see, we have prarthana slokas with. So with, then we know it is with. So it is, that one is our sadhanam. Prarthana slokaihi. Now here a bit. Here is it's not grammatically correct here. See, so what happens here? I'll correct it. So here, Vayam Prarthana Shloka is fine. Kachham Arambham Kurmam na bhavati. Kachhayah. So we are doing the starting of the class. So here, Kachhayah Arambham bhavati. Kachham Arambham na bhavati. So here, we see here, karma is Arambham. So whose Arambham? Kasya Arambham? Kachhayah Arambham. Shashti Bhakti. If you remember, we learned Kasya. Yeah, Kasyah. So here there is a mistake here. I will correct that. So Vayam Prarthana Slokaihi Kachham Arambham Kachhayah Arambham Kurma. We can use Kacha as Karma as well, but there is another Kriya. It's called Arbha Vahe. That's Atmanepadi. Since we haven't learned that, I don't want to use that at the moment, at this time. So the translation would be Vayam Prarthana Slokaihi. So Slokaihi Kachhayah Arambham Kurumah. So what the Kriya asti? Kurumah. Karomi Kurva Kurumah. Karmasti Kachhayah Arambham. Instrument asti Prarthana Slokaihi. Astu kopi sansya asti?
Can you tell that again? Karta here, B is the Karta, right? B is the Karta.
So first we try to find out the Kriya. So here the Kriya is Kurumaha.
Kriya is, okay, Kurmaha.
Karma is Arambham.
What is that? What is that word?
Arambham.
Arambham.
No, what are you calling Arambham?
Start.
Start.
No, wait. So,
but it is
start,
Kriya? Arambham is Kriya?
Yeah.
Arambham is not Kriya. Kriya is Kurma.
Kurma is Kriya? What is our
Bas-
what is
So
what is
basically what happens,
Arambam?
so basically the start, so in Sanskrit you can start, can say two ways. You can use the kriya for start as well. So kriya for start is called arabhe. It will be called, you can say, vayam prarthana slokaihi kachham arabha mahi. So kriya is arabhe, but kriya, so what you can say is, okay, let me give example quickly.
What my question is what is that order? Kriya, then karta, then
Then you try to find karma. If it's there, karma.
what is it?
Karma. Karma, object. So here, so let's say you say I read. Let's say you say I read, right? You say I read. I read the book. Just say I read. Now you translate it. Now here the kriya is read, which is patati.
Patami.
So aham pathami. That's one way of saying. Another way of saying is that you can use a object form of kriya. So patati becomes pathanam. You can say
Pathanam karomi.
aham pathanam karomi. So when do we use this style? So what happens if you don't read? So sometimes what happens, some kriyas are atmanepadi. So and you don't remember their form. So like in this case, arambham. So start, the kriya for start is arabhe. That's an atmanepadi. So his form is like arabate, arabatam, arabhante.
Is it bit like adverbs and verbs, Mahoday?
No, Mahoday.
Nope.
In Sanskrit, there are two kinds of kriya: parasmepadi, atmanepadi. So few
Uh,
kriyas are most of the kriyas are paraspadi padi, but many kriyas are atmanepadi as well.
One is
Like
direct, the other is indirect.
So if you say I start, so you'll say aham arabhe, or if you say he start, you won't say arabhati, you say saha arabhate.
Active and
so
passive, right?
Arabate is Atmanepadi?
Atmanepadi. What happens if you don't remember? So what the yogis have done is that they have given the simple is easier form, is a kind of cheat sheet. So if you don't remember the kriyas form, dhatu proof, you use kriyas noun form and use the karoti. So most of the kriya. So likhati, lekhanam karomi.
Mahoday, is that same as active and passive?
No, Mahoday. It's just express kriya. Express kriya. If you can express kriya using dhatu roop, but you don't remember dhatu roop, what you do, you use the noun form of kriya and use the dhatu karoti. So for instance, pasyati. But let's say you don't remember the pasyati form, right? So then what you do, noun form is darsanam. Aham darsanam karomi. Same as aham pashyami. Aham darsanam karomi, saman. So sagrihnati, he is catching. But let's say grihanam is, his form is different. So you can say sagrahanam karoti. So if you don't
So that is parasmaipadi forms most of the times.
Most of there are actually most of the verbs are parasmaipadi, but there are many atmanepadi, and they are very important ones like pariksha. Pariksha is atmanepadi. So if you want to say he is examining, saha parikshate. Similarly, chama. Chama is atmanepadi. He is forgiving, saha chamate. But let's say now you want to say, but you don't remember the chama, right? So the dhatu shall you say saha chamam karoti. So it's a easier way to express kriya if you don't remember the original form.
Yeah, I get it. It's like just doing. You're doing that.
Coming back here.
He digs as well, right? Rather than saying he's digging, he's doing the he digs. You say he's doing the dig.
So kurma is an arambam kurma. He's doing start.
He's doing the start. He's doing the start.
Sorry, I lost everything. We went into a different discussion. So karta here, he is the karta. Karma is start become the karma. Kriya is kurmaha, that's what we discussed. The whose class or what is started is the class, right? That's where the Shashti Vibhakti.
What happens here? The kriya, the noun form of kriya is now has become karma here. So when you say aham pathanam karoti, so pathanam now become a karma.
So it becomes kachaya.
So here this is here a mistake actually. It's a kachaya of kacha.
So of the
That's a truti. I will there's a typing error. I will
comes
correct.
with what you start the class.
So with what? Pratna slokai.
That becomes the instrument.
So prarthana shlokaihi, what is that called? What is the name of that? Because I understand kriya, I understand karta, I understand karma. Prarthana shlokaihi, third case, tritiya vibhakti is called
Tritiya vibhakti karnakarak.
Karnakarak. It's not karnakaraka.
Karaka. In English you will say instrument case.
But it is karna karaka.
Karnakarak.
Karnakarak.
So karta karak, karma karak, karna karak.
Oh, so it's karna.
It's karna.
Karna, simply. Evameva.
Astu. Amanat Mohoday, one karotu. Dvitiyam.
You all drink with cups. So, Kriya, I'm going to go by this style. Okay. So Kriya Param is drink. So pibantu, pibati, pibantu, because it's you all. So pibantu. Karta is you all. So bhavantaha.
You can say as well. Either is fine.
Okay. Or twam, right? Or not twam, yuyam. Okay. So bhavantaha pibantu. Panakam is karma. So jalam, is it?
So pankam is pankam. I think pankam is
panakam. Yeah, I got it.
So pankam is lemon water.
Like some juice. Panakam. So panakam, and then with cups, chashaka. So chashakaha, chashukaihi. So bhavantaha chashukaihi panakam pibantu.
Couldn't hear you.
Kaha vadatu? Kaha vadatu?
Aham Nataraj Mohoday Madami. So when you speak to someone, he is karma. So aham Nataraj Mohodayam Madami. Kam vadatu. Kah kauke kam kaukan. Istilinga asti kam. If it is a ladies, kam. Or if it is pullinga, kim.
Bagachami.
Okay.
We decorate houses with lamps during Deepavali. So if I go by Kriya is decorate. Alam karoti, alam. So it will become Alankaro. If it is I, it will become Alankaro. Me.
कर्ता अस्ति कर्ता अस्ति वयम.
We will become Vayam. We is the Karta, Vayam. Object will be, or when it is, when you do it, is Deepavali. With what?
पश्यतु कोऽपि किमपि कर्म अस्ति. Check if there is any karma as well. So go in that order. Karta, karam, karan, then saptami.
Karma is during Deepavali.
Houses, you're decorating
Houses. There, yeah. Karma is houses, and then Saptami. This one is Tritiya Vibhakti will be with what? Houses with what? With lamps. So we will become Vayam. Vayam. During Deepavali Samaye, Vayam Deepavali Samaye, Deepavali Parve, houses, Grihe will become Grihani. The verb here is decorate. So Alankurmaha. With what is lamps? Deepaha, Deepaihi. So the sentence will become Vayam Deepavali Parve atva Samaye Grihani Deepaihi Alankurmaha.
So Mohoday, here instead of Alankurmaha, if I want to write it with like a first sentence, Arambham Kurmaha, I can say Sushobhitam Kurmaha.
So thing is that Alankurmaha, it in itself contains
Karoti, yes.
But you can say Sobhitam Kurma, that's also fine.
Okay.
That's also fine.
And for Yuyam also it will be Alang. Sorry, you for second sentence. So for second sentence for Amarnath Mohoday, you said like Yuyam, right? So for that also it will be Pibantu.
No, that he is Bhavantam.
Yeah, but you said you can use Yuyam also, so it will not be Pibantu for
Yuyam. Then so what happens? So depending upon the karta, then it will change. So if you use Yuyam, then it will become Pibata.
Pibata, that's what. Correct.
That will become Pibata. Because the reason I say UM, because it is you all. So for you all, you can use either Bhavantaha or UM. But the reason people use Bhavanta for two reasons, Bhavanta is used is a more formal way of addressing. It's like aap. And also the Pratham Vibhakti is easy to remember. So the Madhyamam is harder. So but if you remember, so if you're speaking to someone who is very close to you, your family member, your friend, you can use UM as well. And if you remember the Dhaturup as well. Otherwise, it's safe to use the Bhavantaha. Astu.
The Vanar Sena does bridge building with the stone. With the stone. So Kriya is building. Okay, Nirmanam Karoti. So it will be Nirmanam Karoti. Nirmanam. Okay. So with the stone become like Khanda. Khandai.
Silakhanda.
Shilakhanda. Okay. Shilakhandai. Oh, that was Sudhakhand. Okay. Shilakhandai. So Vanar Sena is the, even if they are in plural, we are saying Vanar Sena will be treated as a singular only.
Sena. Those Sena. So Sena represents a group, but it is singular.
Okay. Yeah. Vanarasena Shilakhandaihi bridge. Okay, bridge. Setu. Yes. Okay. So Vanarasena Shilakhandaihi Setum Nirmanam
This
Karoti.
happens actually. So if you do properly grammatically, it will be
Setunam.
setoh.
Setu. Okay.
Setoh. But what you can do is in Sanskrit there is a concept called samas. Samas means compound word. So what you can do is you can just club them together. Then you don't use the vibhakti. So you can say setu nirmanam karoti.
Okay. Okay. Setu
So
Nirmanam
about samas
Karoti.
we'll learn, I think, in third level. But that's a trick to avoid vibhakti. Especially you can do compound word and then you don't need to use vibhakti. So you can just say setu nirmanam karoti.
Okay. 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 So if I'm if I'm asking, right, question like kasya nirmanam karoti, right? So it will be setoho, then answer will be
Yes, you
setoho.
can say setu nirmanam karoti. That's correct.
Okay, setu. Okay,
See,
setu nirmanam.
see, if you remember the vibhakti of setu ukaran, you can say setu nirmanam karoti. But if you don't remember,
Okay.
so just say for instance, when you say it's Ram book, you can say Ramasya pustakam.
Correct. Yeah.
But you can also say Ram pustakam.
Oh,
You don't have to say
that again.
Ramasya.
Cheat code. Okay.
And this is called samas in Sanskrit. So you use
Okay.
multiple words together, and then vibhakti goes away.
Okay. Okay. Dhanyawad.
शिलाखंडी सेतुनिर्माणं करोति बहुत सम्यक.
So yes, it
If you see, if you notice there, when you read a Sanskrit book, right, wherever you see a hyphen, do you see there is hyphen between setu and nirmanam?
that is samas.
That means there is samas. That's why,
Okay.
because if you remove the hyphen, then you can't keep them separate.
Got it.
So if you keep them separate, then you have to put the vibhakti, because here you're saying nirmanam of setu. So then you have to say setoh, shashti bhakti.
Right.
But if you want to put that samas, so what happens in Vyakarna book especially, or so just to make it easier for the learner, what they do, they put hyphen. So even you see here prarthana slokai. So here again it is prarthana yaih, prarthana yah. So sloka of prarthana. But to make it easier, and it's also, it's implied. So when you say prarthana ya sloka, it's sloka for prarthana. That's how you make compound word.
Okay.
So they use samas, but to make it easier for people to understand that is samas, they put hyphen. So if you remove the hyphen and if you want to keep it separate, then you have to say prarthana yah slokai. Similarly here, if you want to keep setu nirman separate, you'll say setoh nirmanam, because seto is shashti bhakti. Kasya nirmanam, seto nirmanam. But if you put them together, vyakti goes away.
Yes, and same as like kaksharambham kurmaha. We can club those.
Kurmam as well. So basically, either you say kachaya arambham, or you put kacha hyphen arambham.
Yes. Thank
you. Parati Bhagni, karo tu.
Mahoday. Cooks cut vegetables with knives. Cut is the what is that? Kriya. Kartayati. Karta is cooks.
Cooks. I think cooks.
Kriya is kartayati. Karma is cooks. Karta is cooks.
No. Karma is vegetables.
Vegetables.
Sakani.
Sakani. And cooks is
Pachkar.
Pachkar.
पाचकः कुक्स् बहवः पाचकः सन्ति पाचकाः
पाचकाः what is
भवति छुरिका
churika with knives. So
हाँ
churika kaihi.
छुरिकाभिः
Churika is female, yeah, feminine.
स्त्रीलिङ्ग
Churikabihi. Vegetables you said is pakaya.
शाकानि
Sorry,
शाकानि
sakani.
शाकानि सो शाकं भवति अत्र अस्ति बहुवचनम् अतः शाकानि
So pachakaha, sakani, kartaribihi. Sorry, churikabihi, kartanti.
छुरिकाभिः कर्तयन्ति
Kartayati.
कर्तयन्ति
Pachakaha kartaribihi shakani kartayanti.
बहु सम्यक् तुलसी भवान् करोतु
Me?
भवान् करोतु
Anji. We open locks with keys. Vayam
ओपेन अस्ति उद्घाटयामि
की का
कुञ्चिका
कुञ्चिकाभिः वयं कुञ्चिकाभिः लाक्
तालं
ताल उद्घाटनं कुर्मः
और उद्घाटयामः तालान् उद्घाटयामः तालान् बालकः बालको बालकाः बालकं बालको बालकान् तो तालं तालौ तालान् करोतु
Infants drink milk with bottles. So drink is the action.
क्रिया किमस्ति
Drink.
कर्ता किमस्ति कर्म
Infants.
किमस्ति infants
And with the
हाँ,
karta. So shishuhu. Shishavaha. Sorry. Shishavaha. With bottles. So what is bottles?
कूपी
Kupi bhihi dugdham pibanti.
बहुत सम्यक् भगिनी उमा भगिनी करोतु उमा भगिनी कृतवती किम् आपने डिड यू डू द अभ्यास करोतु
महिलाः सर्विंग इज प्रविशन्ति
परिवेशयति
परिष्यन्ति
नो सॉरी परिवेशयति सर्विंग इज स्पून भवति दर्वी
परिवेशन्ति ते महिलाः एते महिलाः दर्वीभिः परिवेशयन्ति
बहुत सम्यक्
use with object it will be एते महिलाः
क्षम्यताम् एताः महिलाः एते न
एताः महिलाः खादनं दर्वीभिः खादनं दर्वीभिः भोजनं दर्वीभिः
परिवेशयन्ति समाने एकवचनमस्ति परिवेशयति बहुवचनं भवति परिवेशयन्ति
okay if it's a noun form what will it be
परिवेषणं करोति
परिवेषणं कुर्वन्ति
परिवेषणं कुर्वन्ति but noun form only use when you don't remember Otherwise, you just use the. But actually, you can use with all the verb. Most all the kriya they have noun form, so all you can use them. But generally, we use when we don't remember. Bhavan karotu.
Mahoday. The priest praises God with stotras. Priest is Archaka, right? Archaka. Devam.
God asti ekai to devam.
Devam. Archaka. Devam stotraibihi. Stotraibihi.
Praise. Pullinga, napunsak
Sorry?
Sotrai napunsak asti.
Stotraihi. Archakah devam stotraihi पूजयति.
हाँ पूजयति अर्चयति पूजयति समानेव.
पूजयति.
हाँ सम्यक्.
अर्चयति.
फणिराज महोदय भवान् करोतु.
Young men roam around with vehicles. Young men. The karta is young man.
Yuvakah.
Prathamam kriya. Always find kriya first.
Kriya first. Roam is the kriya. Karta is young man. Karma is vehicles.
There is no karma here.
No karma. Vehicles is not karma.
No. What is with vehicles?
Karana karka.
Karaka. Astu. Karaka. With vehicles is karaka.
Karma
Karana karka.
Go ahead, Basaraj Mahoday.
So roam around is your kriya.
Sorry, I was just saying vehicle is karana karaka.
Go ahead. It's okay.
You want me to do that?
Go ahead.
No, Pariraj mant karotu. Pratnam karotu.
Yeah. Dhanyavad. Young men. So the karta is the young man. The first is the kriya, which is roam. Roam around, rather. With vehicles is the karak. So young men is yuvakaha. Yuvakaha. Vahanena.
Vehicles asti bahuvachanam.
Vehicles. Vahanani.
No.
Vahanam is the singular.
Karana karaka asti na.
I'll come to Karan Karak. The vehicles I'm trying to translate into plural. Vahanani. Vahanani is the plural of the vehicles. Now Karak is the roam around. Roam around is
Atati, Brahmati.
Brahmati. Okay, let me do that. Brahmati. Brahmati is roam around. So Yuvakaha. Vahanaihi Brahmanti.
So see what happens, like in English, there are two kinds of verb, right? Transitive and intransitive verb. So transitive verbs who take object and intransitive verb who doesn't take object. Similarly, in Sanskrit we have akarmak and sakarmak. So things like patanti, bhramanti don't take patati, they don't take objects. Even the sakarma kriya as well, you don't always have objects. For instance, you say aham likhami. Now likhami is sakarma kriya, but you don't have here object. So in this sense, these are all optional. Karta, karm, karan, they're all optional. So it's not necessary that you always find the karma. When a kriya is a karmak, you might have karma missing. Manti, bahut samyak bhavan. Who hasn't done the exercise? I didn't keep the track.
Nitaji, I think.
आम
Nitaji.
महोदय.
हाँ, अस्ता भगनी करो तू.
He makes fruit juice with fruits.
So
सह
first find out what is the kriya here.
he करता.
Kriya. First find out kriya first in the sentence. Because see, in sentence, only thing that is mandatory is the kriya. Everything else is optional. So when you're trying to do transformation or conversion, always find kriya first. Everything else is linked with kriya. So first find what is the kriya.
Makes fruit juice.
No, makes.
Sorry, makes.
Yeah. ठीक, that's fine. Now, what is makes? What is the now? Translate that in Sanskrit. What is makes in Sanskrit? Karoti.
सह
Now, what is karta? Now, find karta. What is karta?
he.
He becomes sa. Now
सह
found if there is a karm. Is there a karm?
no.
Ah, there is, right? He makes fruit juice. Fruit juice is karm.
Fruits.
So fruit juice is karm here. So fruit juice is called rasam. Phal rasam. So now you know the kriya karoti.
Yes.
Fruit juice phal rasam. Sah phal rasam karoti. Now you have sentence this much. Now in the sentence you can see the other information as well. What is the other information? With fruits. Now see here with fruits is optional. It's not mandatory, but it is given. So now you have to see. So you find the karta, you find the kriya, you find the karma. Now you got some extra information. Now you have to find out what kind of information that is. And he says that with fruits. Now you know that with fruits is instrument, karan. Now you know that you have to use Tritiya Bhakti for the transformation. Now use Tritiya Bhakti with fruits. Fruit bhavati phalam. Atra asti fruits. So katham karoti bhavati?
फलेहि. सह फलेहि फलरसम करोति.
Karoti or nirmati. For makes you can also use karoti, but you can also use nirmati. Both are correct. See, karoti is very it's like potato. It goes in all the vegetables. So if you don't know the kriya, you use the karoti.
That is, yeah.
Astu. Now, Ishwaran Mohoday, Bhavan karotu.
The pond filled with flowers.
So now see what is the kriya here.
Filled.
So now see, see in English grammar, there's something called auxiliary verb, right? So is, was, were. So they are not verb, they are called auxiliary verbs, Sahayak Kriya. In Sanskrit, it's called Sahayak Kriya. So here, the verb is actually is.
Okay, the pond is.
Yeah, no, so in English grammar, the field is not, even in English grammar, field is not a verb. The field is called participle. It is past participle.
Okay, is.
Ha.
Is kriya.
Is a kriya, Sahayak Kriya. Now, but thing is, the reason it's called Sahayak Kriya is reason is being because Sahayak Kriya or auxiliary verb, they don't give the complete meaning. So the reason they call Sahayak Kriya is because they help you complete the meaning of the sentence. So that means there is something there that auxiliary verb needs to make it complete. So you see, the pond is filled. Now is the pond is.
Pond is.
Pond is filled. So is needs fill the participle to make the sentence complete. If you just say pond is, then also not wrong. There is a pond, right? There is a pond. Pond is means there is a pond. But you want to give me more information about the pond. So pond is filled. Now for filled, the like we have participle in English, in Sanskrit there is something called kat pratyay. So filled is called purnaha or purnitaha or puritaha, or you can say purnaha here. So pond bhavati kasara or tadaga. Now the translation. So you know the kriya is bhavati asti.
Asti.
Filled. Purnah. Kasarah purnah asti. Now go forward now. So this information now you have to use the with flower. What is with flower? Again is an instrument.
Pushpaihi.
Pushpaihi. So kadagah or kasara kadagah. Pushpaihi purnah asti or puritah asti.
Kasarah.
Kasarah. Here there is a typo. It's not puritam. It will be puritah. But you can say purita. You can also say purnah. These are like in English, participle. Though they are made from a verb, they act like adjective. Like say now, like you say he is fallen. So he is fallen. Fall is kriya, is a verb. But when you say he is fallen, fallen become a adjective of him. So similarly, in Sanskrit, Kat Pratyay, you'll read in next class. Not next class, means next level. So similarly, you have things like purnah, puritah. So kasara puspaihi purnah asti, puritah asti. Okay, what time is it now? We are already so this slok is basically is Vandana of Shiva. So if you see here, so Shiv. So when we say Bhagwan Shiva, so the slok is Shivam Shivkaram Santam Shivatmanam Shivottamam Shivmarga Padetaram Pranatosmi Sada Shivam. So Shiv, actually the word Shiv means Mangal or Subh. So here we are basically saying Namaha, Namaskaram to Lord Shiva, and we are giving adjective of him. So who is Shiva? Shivam. Shiva means he does the Mangalam. Shivkaram. So he himself is a Mangal. He himself represents Mangal or Pavitra, pure. He is Shivkaram. Shivkaram means the one who does the Mangal. So he himself is Mangal, but he also does the Mangal of all the beings. Santam. He is very Sant, very calm. Shivatmanam. So he is very pure soul. Shiv also means pure. So the soul that he has is very pure. There is no defect in it. Shivottamam. So he is Shiv, means pure, but what kind of pure? Uttamam. So he is purest. He's purest. He's pure, but not just any pure. The best of pure. So he's purest. Shiv Margam. So Shiv Marg Padetaram. So I think I did not do the vibhakti here. So see, Shiv Marg Padetaram is made of two words, Padetaram and Shiv Marg. So Shiv means Mangal. So Shiv Marg means a good path. Padetaram means someone who encourages you. So Shiv Marg Padetaram means he is the one who encourages you to go on a Shiv Marg. Shiv Marg means Mangal. Shiv means Mangal or good or pure. Pranatosmi Sadasivam. So I always pray Bhagwan Shiv. So only the last Shiva refer to Bhagwan Shankar. Other refer to the attributes of him. Shiv also means Mangal or Subh. So let's do this story. It's very small story. Only take 2 minutes. Then we'll
Mahoday, can you go back to that meaning of the English meaning translation?
Yeah.
Astu Mahoday. Gachami. Ha Mahoday.
Okay. That's fine.
So I pray to Lord Shiva, who is pure. Pure means Shiva, who does good to people. So good people is Shivkaram, who has purest soul, Shivotmanam, who is purest, Shivottamam, and who leads his devotee to right path. Right path means Shiv Marg. And who leads his devotee? Pranetara. Who prena dadati. So Lobhi Krisi Valaha. So basically, I think you all know this story, just it is in Sanskrit.
Lobhi
Let's say the sound.
कृषीवलः लोभी कृषीवलः संस्कृत कथा एकस्मिन् ग्रामे एकः कृषीवलः वसति स्म तस्य समीपे एका कुक्कुटी आसीत् सा कुक्कुटी प्रतिदिनम् एकं सुवर्णमयं अण्डं ददाति स्म.
You see here, you see this word Suvarnamayam. So may is a special suffix. You can, when you add it behind any word, that become an adjective. So in day-to-day conversation, so let's say you say the road is filled with water, and you don't know the verb of filled, right? So you can't. So but you know the meaning of sorry, road is filled with what you call mud. Now you don't know the meaning of filled, but you know the meaning of punk. Sorry, mud, which is punk. So what you can do, you can say margah pankmayah asti. So here what you say, rather than using the verb fill, you say the marg, you have made the keyword as adjective of this road. The marg, the road is keyword mein, is full of mud. So many places, if you don't know the meaning of let's say dhatu and verb, but you know the object, then you can add a maya. Maya means filled with. Then you can use that to describe that thing. Let's say, for example, he's very happy. So, or his work is. Let me give some more example. So let's say he's happy. Now, he's happy. The verb, the thing that you use to describe happiness is one is called ananditaha. So the verb is nandati. So he is jolly. So you say he sah nandati, but you don't know that that verb, but you know the word anand. You can say sah anandmayah asti. So many places if you don't know the verb to describe what somebody is doing, or then another way you don't know the participle, like the food is filled with, or he is happy, so he's anandita. But if you know the other word, if you know the noun, you can add the may at the end, and that will become the adjective.
सुवर्णमयानि अंडानि प्राप्य सः कृषीवलः बहु धनवान् अभवत्. कुक्कुट्याः उदरे बहूनि अंडानि सन्ति. उदरस्य कर्तनं कृत्वा सर्वाणि
See here, see udarasya kartanam. Kartanam is noun form of kartayati. So you can also say udaram kartayati or udaram kartayami. But if you don't know the verb kartayati properly, you can also say udarasya kartanam. Udarasya kartanam karomi.
अंडानि प्राप्नोमि इति सः अचिन्तयत्. कुक्कुट्याः उदरस्य कर्तनाय सः एकां छुरिकाम् आनयत्. सः छुरिकया कुक्कुट्याः उदरस्य कर्तनम् अकरोत्, परन्तु कुक्कुट्याः उदरे एकम् अपि अण्डं न आसीत्. कुक्कुटी मृता अंडम अपि न प्राप्तं कृषीवलः पुनः निर्धनः अभवत् नीतिः अतिलोभः न करणीयः.
Charge be
This is that famous story where the farmer cut the hen's belly. The hen used to give one golden egg every day. He thought, let's cut the belly and take all the eggs at one go. Say that greed is not vastu. Now, if I go to any doubts, any question? Now let me stop the recording. Stop recording.